Hello students, welcome to my online classes. Today we'll see few application based questions from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So I selected this question from the previous year exam papers. So I selected 3 to 4 marks questions. So we'll solve few questions. First question, 5 positive integers are in AP. The sum of 3 middle term is 24 and the product of first and fifth term is 48. We need to find the AP. The same way, 4 consecutive terms are in AP. Sum of squares is given. The same way, third question. A useful note on AP, if you are adding odd number of terms in AP, the middle term will be A, the common difference will be D. So for example, if you are adding 3 terms, we take middle term as A, then the other terms will be A minus D and A plus D. In the same way, if you are adding even number of terms, the middle terms will be A minus D and A plus D. The common difference is 2D. This is an important note. Please take a note of this. It will be useful to solve the problems. So first question, we need to assume given 5 positive terms are in AP. Since it is odd number of integers, we need to assume the AP. So the middle term will be A, then the common difference will be D. So A plus D, then A plus 2D. On the left side, A minus D, then A minus 2D. Since we have to assume odd number of integers, so the middle term will be always A. So A1, A2, that is third term A3, fourth term A4, fifth term A5. So the given condition is the sum of middle term, that is A2 plus A3 plus A4 is, so given sum of middle 3 terms (24). The sum of middle terms equals 24. So I'll add A minus D plus A plus D equals 24. Now plus D minus D will cancel out. The remaining term A plus A will give 3A equals 24. Now A equals 24 divided by 3. A equals 3 ones are 3 eights are, so A equals 8. Now the second condition, product of first term and the last term is 48. So what is the first term here? A minus 2D. First term is A minus 2D. The last term is A plus 2D. So the product of these two is 48. So A minus 2D into A plus 2D equals 48. Now if you see this, it is of the form A plus B, A minus B, we can write as A square minus B square, which is of the form A plus B, A minus B, I can write as A square minus B square. So A square minus 2D whole square equals 48. Now substitute the value of A. So 8 square minus 2 square, that is 4D square equals 48. Now 8 square is 64. 64 minus 4D square equals 48. Now shift 48 to LHS. Now 64 minus 48 equals D square, 4D square. Now 64 minus 48 will give you 16. So therefore 4D square equals 16. So D square equals 16 by 4. So now 1s are 4 4s are. Now this implies D square equals 4. D equals plus or minus square root of 4 will get you D equals plus or minus 2. So D equals plus 2 or minus 2. Now I'll assume two cases. The first case is when d equals plus 2 and another case when d equals minus 2. Now the assumed terms are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, then a plus 2d. Now substitute the value of a and d. Now a is 8 minus 2 times 2 is, so 8 minus 2, then 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 as it is, 8 plus 2 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. This is when d equals plus 2. We'll see when d equals minus 2. So the assumed terms are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Now 8 minus 2 into minus 2, then 8 minus of minus 2, 8 as it is, 10, 8 minus 2 plus into minus minus, 8 minus, now minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, then minus into minus plus, 8 plus 2 is 10, then 8 minus 2 is 6, plus into minus minus, 8 minus 4 is 4. So the required AP is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 or 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. That is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 or 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 is the required AP. So second question, so we need to find out 4 consecutive numbers which are in AP. So since we have to add even number of terms, the two middle term will be a minus d and a plus d will common difference 2d. So sum of 4 consecutive terms is 20. So it is a given condition. I'll assume let the 4 terms of an AP be, let the 4 terms be, so the two middle terms will be a minus d, then a plus d. So on the right side you have to add plus 2d. So d plus 2d is 3d. So a minus 3d. So these are the 4 terms. Therefore, so given sum of these 4 terms is 20. Now add all this term, a minus 3d plus a plus d, or a minus d plus a minus d plus a plus 3d equals 20. Now plus 3d minus 3d will get cancelled out in the same way, minus d plus d. So the remaining term is 4a equals 20. Now a equals 20 by 4 will give you a equals 5. Now the second condition, sum of the squares of each term will give you 120. So sum of squares equals 120. Now square each term, then add it, a minus 3d whole square plus a minus d the whole square plus a plus d the whole square plus a plus 3d whole square equals 120. Now a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now using that formula, so a square minus 2 times a into 3d will give you 6ad plus 3d whole square will give you 9d square. The same way a square minus 2ad plus d square, the same way a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ad plus d square. Now a square plus 2 times into a into 3d will give you 6ad plus 3d square will give you 9d square equals 120. Now plus 6ad minus 6ad plus 2ad minus 2ad will get cancel out. The remaining terms are a square, 4a square, then the remaining terms 9d square plus d square, 10d square plus 1d square, 11d square plus 9d square will give you 20d square equals 120. Now substitute the value of a. 4 times a value is 5 whole square plus 20d square equals 120. Now 5 square is 25, 25 4s are 100 plus 20d square equals 120. Now shift 100 to RHS, what you get? 120 minus 100. So 20d square equals 120 minus 100 is 20. So d square equals 20 by 20. So price d square equals 1. Now d equals plus or minus square root of 1. Now square root of 1 is 1, therefore d equals plus or minus 1. So I should consider the value of plus 1 as well as minus 1. So there are two cases. Case 1 d equals plus 1 and case 2 d equals minus 1. So the assumed terms are a minus 3d, a minus d, then a plus d, then a plus 3d. A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, then a plus 3d. Now substitute the value of a and d. Case 1 plus 1. So a is 5, then substitute the value of d. So 3 ones are 3. So 5 minus d value is 1. Now 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 1 4. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 3 8. In the same way substitute the value minus 1 in case 2. 5 minus of minus 1, then 5 minus 1 plus into minus minus 5 plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. So minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, minus into minus plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2. So the required AP is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 8 or 6 or 4, 2. So the four required terms are 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 or 8, 6, 4, 2 is the required. Third question, given sum of three terms of an AP is 48. So sum of three terms of the given AP is 48. Since we are adding odd numbers, that is 3 numbers, let the three terms of an APB. Since we are adding 3 terms, that is odd numbers, I'll write the middle number as A, then on the right side that is plus D, that is A plus D, on the right side A minus D. So it is the 3 terms of an AP. So given sum of 3 terms is 48. So I'll add all the 3 terms. A minus D plus A plus D equals 48. Now plus d minus d will cancel out. Now the remaining term is a plus a plus a equals 3a equals 48. A equals 48 divided by 3. A equals 48 divided by 3 will give you 16. Now one more condition, the second condition what they have given, the second condition is product of first and second term is equal to 4 times the third term exceeded by 12. So product of first two terms equals 4 times the third term which exceeds by 12. So first term is a minus d, second term is a, third term is a plus d. Now substitute this. So a1 is a minus d, a2 is a equals 4 times a plus 3 is a plus d plus 12. Now substitute the value of a. 16 minus d into 16 equals 4a is 16 plus d plus 12. So I have not written the value of 6. So 16. Substitute the a value as 60. Now multiply monomial and a binomial term. 16 into 16 is 256 minus 16d equals 4 times 16 will give 64 plus 4 times d is 4d plus 12. Now 256 minus 16d equals, now I'll add the numbers. 64 plus 12 will give you 76 plus remaining term 4d. Now I'll group the terms. Now all the d terms on the RHS and numbers on the LHS. Now I'll shift plus 76 to LHS, will get minus 76. That is 256 minus 70 equals minus 16d. After shifting it becomes plus 16d plus 4d. So 256 minus 76 will give you 180 equals 16d plus 20d is, sorry, 16d plus 4d is 20d. d equals 180 by 20. 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 9s are. So value of d is 9. Now the required AP is we have assumed the terms as a minus d, a, then a plus d. Now substitute the value of a and d. So a value is 16, d value is 9, a value 16, then 16 plus 9. So 16 minus 9 will give you 7, then 16 plus 9 25. The required AP is 7, 69, 25. So the required AP is 7, 16 and 25 and goes on. Thank you for watching. So this is a few questions from the arithmetic progression. In next video, we'll solve different type of questions.